That video what they do for TikTok. Now me do one.
Ask me. Chief priest about that. Ask me.
He get one girl for Edo State when we say some group of cultist boys begin beat the girl. Like what we say do to that girl. Honestly, no be what we say they suppose. Now what we say pay me well. What thing happen be say this girl na TikToker. What I mean by TikToker na people when be say that they go into this application they call TikTok. That they imitate people, even celebrities self that they do that they imitate pastors. TikTok now they won't be say people will they lip sync people or the people will they imitate what it be say people they talk like anything we say go viral. So this girl now based on she know I believe say na out of innocent na be say she take do what be say she do. She come begin do TikTok about one particular cultist. I don't know when I year I been a year. So she can't do that particular talk. We say they talk, whether they do prayer or whatever. You know, part of the slang. So we say those cultists they talk. So this girl can begin carry and she can't still talking for her TikTok. Out of fun and entertainment, and we say this girl take do this when we say she do so. So not knowing say as we say she do these things, she use and take go offend people. That is the particular cultist. So we say they talk that particular thing. When we say she go talk. So she doesn't now offend. Then she use and take offend those people. So Lord and behold, all those cultist boys so using go begin and bush that girl. So first when we see they carry this girl go the completed building now, they come begin they ask this girl questions. So what we see this girl, what make she explain herself. This girl not deny, she thought say that she really do the video. So they call it like they tell her make she open her private parts, make they begin they shoot different things for inside. Even at the end of the day, now only person be say not dey normal, only person be say maybe the person get superpower and I go pass through that kind of a thing will be say at the end of the day the person go get it for inside. So as those people don't do what they say they do finish, that girl she lost consciousness, like she faint. As we they talk now, say this girl dey for hospital. We pray we say she fit survive what we say she go through. You will be say you be girl or you will be say you be boy. Anything we say you want for social media, my darling, I beg. Try maybe say at least those things we see they put so especially if you dey for Nigeria. Nigeria not get security. We be say go they secure you anywhere we say they go. Now God, now they secure human being for Nigeria. Can't we be say not get thing. Now God, now they drive and fly. You understand? That's what Nigeria be. If you be TikTok, YouTuber, Facebooker, anything we say they do, in as much as maybe say social life is involved, like social media life is involved, I beg, try and mind what we say they put for social media. You hear? Because this thing we say happen to this girl now, so would they probably say justice prevail? Maybe say they really catch these boys, so they apprehend them. Carry me they face the law for what we say they do. But more not forget say the Nigeria for there will be say now who not get money, you know they see justice so. And this matter so like cultist matter, you know not say for Nigeria for there most of the police people, if not all, most of them, they be cultists on their own. Police now, would they probably say police find justice for this girl so, but more not forget say the so-called justice when they pray for me this girl get so, the police them themselves they for inside. She understand? Boys when we say they carry the join cultists, so be it boys so be it girls when we say they carry the join cultists. What be the reason when we can say if they join the cultists before? Before you go do something when we say not they suppose or your mates call you soon and gotta go and bush person. First of all, first think the reason we can be say you go join the cultists from the beginning. Because most of the things when we say when we can be say most of the things when we say make can be say most people they join cultists because of oppression. Because of intimidation. I not see the reason we can be say they do this thing we say they do to this girl. So because anything we say the girl do, in as much as say the video was concerned, she not use that to intimidate them. She not use that to insult them. But still, out of say maybe ego, why you go they talk onto my cultist level, or why be say which right you get if you woman you don't bath, now they take go carry now because say they want form. As they want form Bugatti, they want form say yes, now them, now be them, now we can say they go use to go and push this girl so. People they join court, they'll use true court, take get better position for maybe as a better position for their life. To take better their family, use and take marry, take establish. So everybody when see they join court, they use and take go form maybe community chairman or councillor or even governor self, even president self. People they use and because they join courts. How come this riffraff them anyway? No, I don't want to talk too much because the way I see the video, I not like you, the thing pay me reaches everybody. So I just come here, I can't give my own thought about what I say for this matter. Before you do anything, be it boy or girl, you want to do anything, give person, always think calm for your mind, say, if na me they want do that thing give so I go like am, or if na my loved ones they want do that thing give so I go like am. Because this matter now we will see, so people they carry they blame the girl and the girl find trouble, which is I not say the girl find trouble. The only thing we say I see for the matter be say na Nigeria security will be say not good, that make can be say this kind of a thing so it dey possible. You understand? And another thing again be say even though maybe say the thing it dey possible for Nigeria be say then because say people don't feel they do one, they get away with it. Let me can be say the thing see they record itself again, because not be today when we say the year say court is go they carry go they beat girl. We don't see whereby some group of boys, be it courtis or no, they go carry go beat person because they go thief phone. Like you get one story when we say they go carry go put paper for person private parts because say they as in their phone, or they hear say or they believe say the girl go thief phone. At last soon call, we don't know how the matter take go, whether those people go prison, whether people go sell, whether how they take judge the matter, we don't know. But now that same thing so almost similar, if not the same thing, now be the one we say see happen to this girl. So beyond because say the thing they happen before, they never see the consequences. When we say those people will say fair do and pass through, now make come say the things they reoccur themselves. So before I forget, before you do something to anybody, or whether you be girl, you be boy, or you be small pikin, or you be small girl pikin or boy pikin, always try me you put yourself on that person's shoe, or always reason and say, what about if na my own loved ones this thing so they happen to, I go feel. She you see this matter say they go so, many people say go use and take love this girl, and go many pass. Unto say they will say in as much as, because people don't really care. In as much as the thing not happen to them or to their loved ones, they don't care. They'll look this matter, make they throw your face. But I beg, I just got to beg. If you know, say you get level, you get influence, maybe you get person for police, won't be say for those state police for there, or maybe area command or anybody will say, you know, say if he, I beg, if he calls, maybe they see justice for this girl. So I beg, maybe they really see justice for this girl. Me all this nonsense, won't be say they happen. So maybe they stop, because with the look on the throw your face, now it's not be what it happen to. But don't forget, say, today, if it be another person, tomorrow, not be surprised. If it be you or if it be your loved one, so I beg, Mona try, Mona create awareness for this kind of matter. So, Mona try. If you get any level or any connection, we see if you use to take help this girl, help for the situation. So I beg, Mona help. Before I forget, if you never subscribe to my channel, I beg make you subscribe, and you will be returning subscribers. Thank you. And when you don't forget to click that bell button, so that anytime I upload a video, then you will be the very first person to know. Say yes, say I don't upload a video. Until I see you for my next video. Bye bye.